What's going on, guys? Matt here with the Roaming Scouter. Today, even though it's a Wednesday, we're going to be doing a community service project with our Cub Scout pack.
Community service?
We're going to head over to a local preschool and we're going to be putting down some mulch on the exterior just to freshen it up a bit. The reason that we're doing this is, one, for the community service that it provides and is a big part of the aims of scouting, which I'll talk about here in a minute, but also it's part of our summer adventure series that we're doing with the kids, so they can go ahead and earn their summer patch or their summer award as part of the scouting program.
Child labor laws are ruining this country.
The scouting program has specific objectives, commonly referred to as the aims of scouting. They are character development, leadership development, citizen training, and personal fitness. Now, these may sound similar to some of the tenets of the Scout Oath, but they are completely different and they really are part of the vision and mission of the scouting program. And we as adult leaders in the scouting program need to know the aims of scouting in order to tailor our programs to meet this vision and mission of Scouting America. Today we're going to be doing two aims of scouting as far as character development and citizenship training, because we're taking time out of our schedule to take the kids out to do a community service project to a school that they no longer attend or maybe never attended in the past. And this is part of community development and making sure that our scouts understand the importance of being a good citizen within the community. I forgot to mention this before I packed up all my equipment, but if you are interested in learning more about the aims and methods of scouting,
Not interested.
I will be putting out a more in-depth video about the different portions of both the aims and the methods of scouting. If you want more information, link down in the description to the official BSA website that outlines the aims and methods of scouting. Thank you. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but we've actually knocked it out.
It's beautiful.
Moved two massive piles of mulch. So, Scouts did a great job. It's been a great time. We'll see you guys next time.